Kabir, today is your lucky day.
Salary आ गई?
No.
नहीं आई.
Because this segment is all about Android. Now, everybody knows out there that Kabir is a big fan of Android and I'm a little bit of an Apple loyal girl.
Exactly. But yeah, we're going to talk about the new Android update 7.0, which is Nougat.
Nougat, that's correct. A lot of people mispronounce it, but it's called Nougat.
I can't even pronounce it properly. Nougat. It's like kleptomaniac.
What does that mean?
I don't know, I just made it up.
Anyway guys, all bad jokes aside, here it is. Android's new update is here. Earlier it was only available for some select smartphones, but now pretty soon it will be available on your smartphone. Though a little slowly, keep watching out for the update. So we've decided we'll show you a few tips and tricks and then you can decide whether it's actually worth downloading.
Sabke liye, ab sabke liye. So this is how to make the best of Android 7.0. Nougat. Say Hooga.
Now here's the first great how-to in making the most of Android Nougat 7.0. The ability to reply directly from your home screen. Now we all know Apple's iMessage and WhatsApp already have that. But with Android Nougat, Android users can reply directly from the home screen like this. Instead of presenting multiple notifications from the same app as individual alerts, Android Nougat now groups them on a single line. You can swipe down on a single notification to view more details like this and interact with each individual alert. You can either reply to messages straight from the alert when it pops up at the top of the screen or from the bundle notifications. If there's one great tip in making the most of Android Nougat, it's with multitasking. You can double tap the Recents button to quickly toggle between your last two open apps. This is especially useful when you're trying to copy information from one app, say a URL, and post it somewhere else, like a message window. Like this, you can work in a split screen mode between apps like Facebook and WhatsApp. Multitasking within a smartphone is the flavor of the season, and we're glad Android realized it. Finally! Another tip for you, using the Clear All button. Google now includes a Clear All button to close all open apps with a tap. How? Scroll to the top of the preview cards where you'll find the new button and simply hit Clear All. Now here's one thing we've all struggled with. It's managing our data usage. Well, Android 7.0 gives you a way out of that. Say hello to the Data Saver feature. So go to Settings and then tap on Data Saver to enable the new feature and tailor which apps are allowed to ignore the setting. This will be mighty useful, especially when you're running low on the monthly data allotment for your wireless plan. But beware, because this also means that your beloved apps like Twitter and Facebook may not refresh in the background very often, if at all. Ever wanted to put selective notifications on silent? Well, manage your notifications well with Android Nougat. Long press on a notification and you can opt to disable or silence alerts for the respective app. This is a far better method than having to dive into a random settings menu. Say hello to the all-new Settings app, which has received a facelift. The top of the page will offer suggestions and toggles for items you may want to set up or disable. You can now slide out a settings menu from the left side of the display to jump between different categories with minimal effort, like this. Pretty convenient, we think. Another change in the new update is the introduction of setting tiles. A second swipe down on the screen when notifications and quick settings are present will reveal a series of quick settings tiles. These tiles act in a similar fashion to the smaller version from the previous slide, with a tap toggling the corresponding service or setting and a long press providing more options. You can tap on the pencil button near the top of the screen to rearrange, delete or add new tiles. Another minor but useful change is in the display size. Go to Settings, Display and Display Size and then use the slider. Now, not only can you adjust the font size used by your Android device, but also adjust everything on display. And the biggest and most prominent feature of the new update, Google Assistant is now all yours. This cool assistant is no more only exclusive to the heftily priced Google Pixel phone, but has now been rolled out to all Android smartphones. And we believe this is the most astounding feature of Android Nougat. To activate your assistant, simply long press the home button and demand what you like. We search for plenty of things and even ask the question on everyone's minds. Who's better, Siri or Google Assistant? And we must say, the assistant had a pretty good answer. Are you better than Siri?
Siri's the best Siri. I try to be the best Google Assistant.
And now let's quickly summarize our observations. Android Nougat 7.0. Well, we have to say it makes our smartphones much faster and smoother. However, we only witness very small performance gains. The biggest feature here, Google Assistant is now available to all Android phones. When it comes to the interface, it's mostly the same and it's not really a very big OS update.